Hi, hello. So today we will learn about indices and cube root, chapter 3. So last class I posted one video about the basic concept. Now we will see in detail. So here one number is there, 3, and 2 upon 3 is there. What we will call this one, this 3. This 3 is called as a base, and numerator, this is numerator, right? This is denominator, right? So this one we will call it as what? Power. This one we will call it as what? Root. Okay. So here, last class I given one example how to remember this one. So always root will be in the down, right? So root will be in the down. So here it have the power, right? So here also the same condition. First power, then we will call it as 3 as a root. So this 3 is nothing but a base value. Now, can you say what is this? 4 is nothing but a base, 7 is nothing but a power, and 5 is nothing but what? Root, right? So we will recall one more concept. Suppose if I have the number like 4, what we can do now? First we want to check whether it is a perfect square number or not. Yes, it is a perfect square number. It is nothing but 2 square. The square and square root get cancelled, right? What is the answer? It is nothing but 2. Suppose here one number is there, right? 3 square. What will happen now? The square and root get cancelled. I am asking first sum, fifth root of 13. 13 is nothing but a base. Okay. So I already said, remember the tree. Okay. So it have the root in the bottom, power in the top. So here fifth root. Fifth root means 5 is the root. They will not say 5. It is a fifth. So 5 will be in the down. So power is not there. So I will put 1. Okay, that's all. This is the answer. This is first sum. What about second sum? So here they given 9 as the base. Okay, what is the root they given? Root denominator, it is 6. What is the power then? There is no power, it is given. There is no power. So I will take it as a 1. Now third sum. Can you say what is the thing? 256 is the base. Okay, the square root. Square means what? 2. Power is not given. So I'm giving as a 1. So root it is given. It is nothing but square. Okay, square is nothing but 2. Now fourth sum. What is the fourth one answer? Can you say which one is a base? 17 is the base. Which one is coming? So it is cube root. Cube means what? Cube means 3. Okay, it is root. So down, power is not given. So I'm taking as 1. So it is nothing but cube. So cube I can write as 3. What is the fifth one answer? 100 is the base, right? So here which one is root? 8. So 8 is the root and power is not given. So I will take it as a 1. Now last sum, 7th root of 30. So which one is base? 30 is the base. 7th root. 7 is the denominator. Power is not given. So I'm taking as a 1. So I hope you understand this concept. Now we will move on to the next one. So here next one it is this one. So how to solve this one? Here what it is given, write in the form of nth root, right? Nth root of a in each of the following numbers. It is simple. You want to write it in a name form. Okay. So first sum what it is. So first we want to write the power. Then you want to write the base value. So shall we start? First we want to write there. If it is 1 is the power. Listen. First question is what? 81 upon 1 upon 4. If 1 is the power, you can leave the power. Okay. So you can take only the root value. How can I write this one? Fourth root of F-U-R-T-H. Fourth root of 81. Okay, base is nothing but base will come at the last. Okay, so second one. What is the second one? 49, 1 upon 2. I told 2 is nothing but square, 3 is nothing but cube. So 2 it is in down, right? So how can I write? Square, it is in root. So square root of what? 49. What is the third one answer? 15, 1 upon 5. How can I write this one? So fifth fifth root of, it is in down, okay, which is power and it is root. You can again you have doubt like why I'm not writing power, because one value is nothing but for power having one value, so you don't want to mention. Okay, so fifth root of what? 15. What is that fourth one? Here 512 1 upon 9. What will be the answer? Anyone can guess the answer? Yes, so it is ninth root of 512. Now fifth one. What is the fifth one? 100 1 upon 19. How can I name this one? 19th root of 9. 19th root of base value last 100. What is the last sum answer? 6 1 upon 7. What will be the answer? So 7th root of what? 6. 6. That's all. So I hope you understand this concept in detail. If suppose the power is 2. Okay, suppose here the first sum. It is power is like 81. 81 2 upon 4 is there. How to name this one? We will see in the practice set. Next practice set. Next sum. Let's move on. So here, which one you want to? So listen this one. So it is very easy sum. First one, see the first one. 225 is the base. 3 is nothing but a power and 2 is nothing but a root. So first they are asking. Okay, so here what they have given, 225 is the number base, 3 is nothing but a power, 2 is nothing but a root. First question they are asking, first you should write the power, then root. Second one, you should start with root. So you should start with root, then you want to follow by power. So first sum. So I already said 3 means what? Cube. Remember this means 2 means what? Square. Okay. So here first sum, what it is given? First power. What is power? Cube of square root of 225. So here root of power means from down you want to start. Square root of cube of 225. Now can you answer for the next one? Yes. So first power. For first one, what is this? 4. Fourth power of fifth root of what? 45. What about this one? How to write this one? So here first root is coming. So 5. Fifth root of fourth power of 45. Right? What about this sum? So here what we can do? First it is power. So sixth power of seventh root of 81. So here what will happen? Seventh root of first root. Okay. And then seventh root of sixth power of what? 81. What is the next one answer? So here this one, fourth power of 10th. So 10th, you can write the number also. 10th root of 100. What is the next one I'm writing as a number? 10th root of fourth power of what? 100. It is asking 1 mark sum. So what is the next one? So here 3 means cube. You should not say 3th. Cube of 7th of 21. So here 7th of cube of 21. I hope you understand this concept. Very easy concept. Next, we will move on to the next sum in detail. Okay. So what about the next one? What they are asking? Write the following number in the radical indices. So radical indices is nothing but okay. So write the following number in the form of radical indices. Radical indices, it is nothing but you want to write it in the form of numbers. Okay. First one answer. Read the question. The square root of fifth power of 121. So last number is nothing but a base. Okay. So the power should be small one. Okay. You should not write this much big. The base value should be big when compared to power or root. So now, which one, what is the answer? The square root. Root is nothing but denominator. Square means 2. Fifth power. Fifth means 5. It is in the power. So I can write like this. That's all. This is the answer. Okay. So what about the next sum? Cube of fourth root of 324. So 324 is the base. And then here cube of fourth root. So fourth root means root value is 4 and cube. So cube means it is nothing but 3. So power is not given. So you should understand it is nothing but power value is 3. What about next one? Here, which one is the base value? 264 base value. So here, which one is root value? Fifth root. So 5 it is in the denominator. Square of power is not given. So you should understand the next number is nothing but power. Next one, last sum. It is 3 is the last one. Last number I can take it as what? Base value. So here, which one is denominator? Cube of cube root. So cube is nothing. Cube root means cube root value, it is nothing but 3, right? So cube of, so another cube, it is nothing but power. That's all. This is the answer for the sum. Next one. This one is very interesting sum actually. Find the cube root of the following numbers. What is cube root? Okay, so suppose I take one number. Suppose it is a 8. 8 is the number. Okay, so this one I can write as a 2 cube. It is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So here cube root means it will get cancelled. The answer is nothing but what? 2 is the answer. So the perfect cube root of 8 is what? The number is 2. Right? So like this, we want to find the answer for the sums. How to find the answers? We will see in detail. So first one, what you want to do? here practice set 3.3 first sum. Find the cube root of the following number. So as I already discussed, first one you want to find out what is the cube root of the following number. So here first number is 8,000. Okay. So we know that, okay, here I can split the number into 2. 8 into 1,000. Okay. 8 is a perfect square, perfect cube number. Sorry, it is a perfect cube number. So 8 is a perfect cube number? Yes. So 2 cube is nothing but 8 is the answer. 1,000 is a perfect cube of what number? 10. 10 cube is nothing but 1,000. So here, what you want to do? So here it is nothing but you want to multiply this number. 2 into 10, the powers are same. So shall I write outside? So what is the answer? 2 tens are 20 power 3. So it is nothing but the cube root of 20. Okay. So what will be the answer? It will get cancelled. The answer is 20. So 8,000, the perfect cube number is what? 20 is the answer. Like this, we will solve a few more sums. So 729. So you should know the perfect cube number up to 15. So you can easily solve the numbers. So the next sum, it is like 729. 729, you should know this one. It is a perfect cube number of 9. Okay. So here, listen. So here, suppose you don't know whether it is a perfect cube number or not. How to check? Check the last number. So it is even number means you can take 2 table. If it is an odd number means, so here 9 is the number, it is an odd number, then take 3 table. Okay. So it will go for 2 times. It will come for 4 times and 3. Again, just check for 3 table, how much time it will go. It will go for 81 time. Again, 3 table, how much time it will go? 2 times. It is like 7 times. Again, 3 table, it will go for 9 time. Again, 3 table, 3, 1. Now, how many 3s are there? Write it down here. Okay. So, why I selected 3 table? Because it is an odd number. So, I cannot take 2 tables. So, I selected 3 table. Simple concept. So, here divide the number into 3 because it is a perfect cube number, right? So I can write as here 3 cube into 3 cube. So 3 is the base. How many times it is repeating? 3 times it is repeating. So I'm writing as a 3 cube into 3 cube. What is the next step? So 3 into 3, it is 9. This cube I can write as a only 1 time. So what is the next step? So if you want to find out what is the perfect cube number of this number. So write it down. So 729 is equal to 9 cube. It is a cube root, right? The cube and root get cancelled. The answer is what? 9 is the answer. So for 729, the perfect cube number is what? 9 is the answer. Like this, we will solve many sums. So first 2 sum, I hope you understand. Like this, we will discuss for many sums. Next one, I will solve the remaining sum at the last. We will see this some very interesting sum. The first one. See the simplify. Simplify means what? Simplification means reducing the bigger number into a smaller one. That is the concept of simplify. Okay, let's we see the first sum. So bigger number I'm reducing to the smaller one. Okay. So here cube is outside. So I want to check whether it is a perfect cube number or not. 27 is a perfect cube of 3, right? Shall I write 3 cube? 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So shall I write as 3 cube? So instead of 27, shall I write 3 cube? 125 shall I write as a 5 cube? Now what will happen? So shall I write at least 1 time? So 3 upon 5. So shall I write like this? Okay, the cube root and cube get cancelled. What is the answer? 3 upon 5. So we are reducing the bigger number into a smaller one. Okay, what is the answer? 3 upon 5 is the answer. What is the second sum? So here 16 upon 54, right? So here cube root. Here it is not a perfect cube number. What we can do? Just divide and see. Both the numbers will go in two table. Just divide. How much time 16 will go? 8 times. How much time 54 will go? It will go for 27 times. Right? Now check it is both are a perfect cube number. Yes. So it is 2 cube. It is nothing but 3 cube. So here the cube and cube root get cancelled. What will be the answer? 2 upon 3 is the answer. So like this we can solve. Last sum is very important sum. So last sum is what? Here they given the sum like, you can see the sum. So third sum. So the perfect cube of this number is what? Here they given perfect cube of 729 is 9. Okay, so how we got the 9? So we know this one. 729 is here, 9 cube. The cube and cube root get cancelled. The answer is 9. Yes. So then they are asking what is the answer for this one? 0.000729. The cube root of this number is what we want to find out. Okay, very easy sum. Now what we can do? So this sum now, just put that. Now I want to convert. This is in a decimal point. So I want to convert decimal into fractional. Okay, what is fractional? It have numerator and denominator. So here denominator, just check after decimal point how many zeros are there? How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That many zeros I'm writing. Okay, I'm just putting 1 and I'm writing that many zeros. In numerator, what is the number here? It is there 729. Write the number in numerator. That's all. Okay, leave the zeros, only write the number. Then it is a perfect cube. Then we know this one. 729 is a perfect cube of what number? 9. Okay. What is the answer? It is a perfect cube number or not? How to check? So divide the zeros equally into 3 parts. So here, shall I divide like this? Okay, this is 20, 20, 20, all are equal, 3 parts. Now shall I write it as an 100 cube? Okay, so now next thing. So the cube root and cube get cancelled. What is the answer? 9 upon 100. Now, here 100 is there, right? After two numbers, I want to convert this number into a decimal. How to convert? 9 upon 100 is there. After two numbers, I should keep the point. Here, how many zeros are there? Two zeros. So after two numbers, I should keep the point. So the answer will be 0.09. Why 09? Because here only one number is there. So I will add one more number. Because after two numbers, I should keep the point. 1, 2. After two numbers, shall I keep the point? So the answer is 0.09 is the answer. Now I will discuss more about that perfect cube number, right? So we missed some sums like important sums alone we will discuss, like sixth one, 3, 2, 7, 6, 8. How to find the perfect cube number? See the last number, it was even number. So it is going in which table? 2 table. Otherwise you can take bigger table, 8 table. Okay, so 8 table, how much time it will go? So it will go for 4096 time. Again dividing 8 table. So it will go for 512. 512 is a perfect cube of what number? 8, right? So again do this division. So here it will go for 64 times. So now check, 64 is a perfect cube of what number? 4 cube. So 4. So it will be the answer of 16. Again 4. Again 4. So here it is like 4, 1. Now what are the numbers I have? 8 into 8 into 8 into 4 into 4 into 4. Okay, so here I can write as a 8 cube. 8 is repeating for 3 times. 4 cube repeating for 3 times. So just multiply, it is 32 cube. So how I am taking the 8 table? Because the last number is an even number and it is a bigger number. So I am taking a 8 table. Suppose it is not going with, just take 4 table or 2 table. That's all. So like this you want to solve the sum. I hope you understand this concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.